Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Revancee Lijangpi. In today's video I'm going to unbox some of the things that I have ordered from Flipkart. It has arrived today, so just check out what's there inside this box. And this is a body wash, friends, which I have ordered, but I'm not gonna disclose the name of this body wash as I'm going to use it personally. But yeah, it is a good product. And friends, this is another item. Try to guess what could be inside this box. Let's check out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! OMG! It's nothing but a pair of shoes. Wow! It's so awesome. And I really love the color. Hope you all likes it too. Now I'm going to put on the shoes. Let's try now. It's good. Oh yeah, it's really fit me well. And see guys, the color is really so amazing. And the shoes, it's very light. It's lightweight, very comfortable to wear. Very comfortable, yeah. And now I'm tying up my shoelace. And friends, I really love the shoes because I got the product as expected. I'm really satisfied with this product. It looks very genuine. Wow. And I'll just walk around the house to do the comfort test. Yeah, I feel like dancing and jumping with the shoes. Really, yeah, I love it. And friends, do comments how it looks on me. Actually, my fiance bought these shoes for me. I mean, he made the payment and the color was chosen by me. And I was just walking around here and there and looking over my shoes again and again because I deeply loved it. That's why I was just passing my time like this, because today my duty is also off and I was just making a video on it about unboxing these items that I have purchased from Flipkart. And I'm very thankful to my fiance for presenting me such a lovely gift. Thank you so much. And friends, the price of these shoes is 1519 only. It's not that costly because I don't like to purchase too much expensive things. And friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Till then, bye bye, tata.